Now, let's do abstract ulit. Abstract reasoning. May nagtatanong kasi dito, pero yung tanong niya nasa comment section ng post ko doon sa isang FB group na naka-private yung FB group na yon. So, hindi na lang natin i-mention kung sinong nagtatanong dito. Which figure is next in the series? Kapag abstract, ang hanapin lang natin dito ay yung pattern. Marami na tayong na-upload na mga abstract, yung which figure is next in the series. Tapos, marami din tayong na-upload na mga dominoes. Tawagin natin itong dominoes. Pero, so far, itong ganitong klase ay medyo wala pa yata sa mga lahat ng na-upload ko na dominoes. So, sagutan natin ito. Ang hanapin lang natin ay pattern. Kaya never memorize the answer kung ano man ang sagot natin dito, kundi yung paraan kung paano natin ito sagutan. Pansinin nyo yung pattern. Alternate tayo. 5, 6. Diba sa dominoes, yung 6 yung pinaka, yun na yun. So, balik tayo sa 0. May empty doon sa dominoes. So, empty tayo. 0. 1, 2, 3. Anong sunod sa 3? 4. Alternate. Up, down, up, down. So, dapat yung nasa baba natin ay 4, which is yung letter D lang naman ang merong 4 dyan. Next, doon naman tayo dito sa 2, 1, decreasing. Ang next ay 0. Wala. So, ang next dyan ay 6, 5, 4. So, dapat 3 ang nasa taas at yan din yung nasa letter D. So, based sa pattern, ang tamang sagot ay itong letter D. Now, iilan sa inyo may nagtatanong na kasi dito kung gaano ba kaimportante itong abstract or bakit yung mag-a-apply ng trabaho, may exam na nasa exam nyo yung abstract or yung magtitake ng AFPSAT, yung mga military na mga trabaho na yan or yung college entrance test. Bakit kamo merong abstract? Although nabanggit na natin ito sa previous na video, basahin ulit natin kung ano bang meron dito sa abstract na ito. Abstract reasoning is considered a type of higher order thinking. This type of thinking is more complex than the type of thinking that is centered on memorizing and recalling information and facts. Therefore, dapat pala mas bilib tayo sa taong medyo mataas yung score niya pagdating sa abstract reasoning. People who have strong abstract reasoning tend to be better at learning new skills, adapting and adjusting their approaches, seeing the big picture, and thinking strategically. In addition, it is also one of the cognitive abilities that has been consistently linked to better work performance and leadership effectiveness. Now, abstract reasoning refers to the ability to analyze information, detect patterns and relationships, and solve problems on a complex, intangible level. So, abstract reasoning skills include being able to formulate theories about the nature of objects and ideas, being able to understand the multiple meanings that underlie an event, statement, or object, being able to identify the relationship between verbal and non-verbal ideas, and being able to detect underlying patterns and relationships between events, ideas, and objects. Kaya mag-practice na kayo regarding dito sa mga abstract na to kasi hindi to nawawala once mag-a-apply kayo ng trabaho or kung nasa grade 12 kayo mag-apply ng pang college entrance test, hindi nawawala itong mga ganito. Pero sa bagay, madali lang naman ito. No need na mag-memorize. Kundi yung paano siya hanapan ng pattern. Yung mga ideas ba, yung mga paraan kung paano kaya natin madaling hanapin yung pattern, yun lang naman yun. So, madali lang naman ito. Kaya wag masyadong mag-worry when it comes to abstract. Basta sanayin nyo lang yung sarili nyo, yung kung paano ito sagutan. Once sanay na kayo, sa actual na exam, mas madali na lang. Ngayon, abangan ang mga future videos natin. Thank you for watching. God bless.